how to turn on or turn off prioritize real-time traffic for mobile hotspot on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down. You will see first option is Connections. Click on Connections. Scroll down and click on Mobile Hotspot and Retring and click on Mobile Hotspot. After click on Mobile Hotspot, scroll down to end. You will see Prioritize Real-Time Traffic is here. If you want to turn on Prioritize Real-Time Traffic, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see Prioritize Real-Time Traffic is turned on. If you want to turn off Prioritize Real-Time Traffic, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see Prioritize Real-Time Traffic is turned off. You will turn on or turn off Prioritize Real-Time Traffic from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off prioritize real-time traffic for mobile hotspot on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.